Hey everybody, this is day 28, dose 55, and I'm down at 201.4, something like that, and yeah, I figured all that water would come back out. So anyway, I'm going to take this dose. I've got to go to pull apart, get some parts for the truck, and tomorrow got a lot of paperwork to do, and I want to get back downstairs this coming weekend, vacation, and get this some work on the CNC and make some more videos. So I got a lot to do next week also. So I'm going to take dose 55 and get to doing what I got to do. And I got to go to work tonight. So it's a 3-day work week, which is great. So I can get stuff done. All right. Gonna start getting harder to get these last doses out. So this is dose 55, weigh 201.46. I don't know what I said, but anyway, 201. I'm hoping to get down next couple days, get down below 200. So we'll see what happens. So far, so good. Almost 30 pounds lost so far. So I will see you guys tonight before I go to work. Take those 56. All right.